channel, the queen of YouTube is getting a bath. I know she looks different. She looks really weird. And we already washed her. And she's not fussing like other cats do. If you have a cat, comment down below and just tell me what does it do when it's taking a bath. Or if you have a dog. Looney. This is the torture of Looney. See? If you buy that soap, you see that soap? If you buy dog repellent like this soap, it's for dogs. It's okay for cats. Because cats really like it. And that's why your cat will smell very good. Oh my god. YouTuber? Look, does she look cute? She's an ugly kitten. Okay? Oh my god. YouTuber. Okay. Relax. You're just gonna stay in the tub with your cat and relax it. As you are holding it, make sure your cat is good and relaxed, and make sure it doesn't run out when you're pouring in the soap. It's very good. Let your cat relax until it gets that warm. And you're gonna pour the soap on your cat. She still has dirt on her because she's been in the backyard 2 times. You have to wash her a second time. Or not. You just gonna have to keep wetting your cat after the soap. And that's it, guys. But first, subscribe and make sure you comment down if you have a cat like this. She's just a Siamese breed that is different.